Chicken croquettes with Carbone tomato basil sauce. In a large bowl, add in 2 chicken breasts cut into dices, 2 beaten eggs, a small chopped yellow onion, 4 cloves of chopped garlic, 4 sprigs of chopped parsley, a half a cup of Italian breadcrumbs, a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and Italian herb seasoning, 4 ounces of cheddar cheese, and 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. Give everything a stir, then roll into golf balls and place them onto a cookie sheet. Pour a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a skillet on medium heat. Add a jar of Carbone tomato basil sauce into a small pot on low heat. Saute the croquettes for a minute on each side, then place the croquettes back into the cookie sheet. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes at 425 degrees. Remove the croquettes from the oven and top them with the Carbone tomato basil sauce. Sprinkle on some shredded mozzarella cheese, then put the croquettes back into the oven or broiler for 2 to 3 minutes until the cheese is melted. Add some of the tomato basil sauce into a ramekin. Plate the chicken croquettes and you're ready to serve. This dish can be served as an appetizer or as a full entree. The tomato basil sauce is a recipe of Chef Mario Carbone from Queens, New York. Made with imported Italian tomatoes, onions, olive oil, basil, sea salt, garlic, and oregano, Carbone tomato basil sauce is the closest to homemade that you'll find on the market. Beautifully simple, impossibly difficult. Chicken croquettes with Carbone tomato basil sauce. It's going to be delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.